So, introducing Abhishek Sriram Bhavne of Maharashtra in the false number 1. In false number 2 is Ajit Kumar of Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Singh Yadav in false number 3 from UP. Ashish Kumar Gaurav of Uttar Pradesh, false number 4. Bikram Singh of Punjab in 5. In 6 is Dev Yadav of UP. And that is Dipanshu in 7 from UP. That is Ganesh Ingalagondi of Karnataka in bit number 8. Wearing force number 9 is Ganesh Pakhare of Maharashtra. Comrade Sushant Reddy in false number 10. Mahesh Shalla of Telangana in false number 11. That is MD Jahid from Delhi in 12. The Karnataka boy Mitesh Shiji in 13. That is another Karnataka boy Nikhil C in 14. Nikhil Yadav of UP in 15. Nitin Kumar again of UP in 16. That is Nitish Yadav of UP in 17. That is Raghuvira L of Karnataka in false number 18. Roy Dillo of Haryana in 19. 20 is Rupjot Singh of Haryana. The boy from Uttar Pradesh, Sachin Chaudhary in false number 21. That is Sahil Kumar Wadia in 22 from Gujarat. Shivam Pargi of Madhya Pradesh in 23. Shivjit Singh Modi of Madhya Pradesh, bib number 24. The boy from Haryana, Sumit Rathi from, in false number 25. Representing West Bengal is Sushil Poddar in 26. There you see Syed Muhammad Abbas of Delhi in 27. Vedant Sanjay Tikoni of Maharashtra in 28. Vijay Kumar of Bihar in 29. Vishal Yadav in 30 from Uttar Pradesh. And in number 31 is Zubair Sheikh of Gujarat. So this ultimate test of coordinated endurance, that is a 3,000 meters steeplechase. It's a 7.5 lap journey that these athletes are going to endure upon in the next 9 or 10 laps. And that is the start of the 3,000 meters steeplechase junior. A total of 7.5 laps are here for these athletes. To comment on any positioning here. So we'll just wait for this the race to grab up. As of now, it is 7 Dipanshu of Karnataka or Dipanshu of UP, who is in the lead. But then this is too early a stage to comment anything. And so let me say something about the technicalities. A total of 35 jumps here, 28 fixed hurdles, and we have 7 water jumps. The height of the hurdle is the same as the height of the senior men hurdles, that is 91.4 centimeters. And the water jump is 12 feet, 3.66 meters in length, with a maximum depth of approximately 50 to 70 centimeters. So it is near the barrier. And this is often called as the human obstacle course, and this even traces its roots back to the cross-country races of the 19th century Britain, where runners raced from one church steeple to the next and that's why it is known as a steeple. Today, these young athletes face 28 fixed barriers and 7 water. So that is the water jump that I was talking about. And at the under 20 level, we should keep an eye of the technique at this age. The transition from raw speed to efficient hurdling is what separates the podium finishers from the rest of the pack. So this is what I have to say at the beginning of the race as these athletes move into the 6th round. 6 laps remaining for them. And one athlete you have seen going back. And on your screen, as of now, earlier it was number 7 leading. Now it is Komareddy Sushant Reddy of Telangana in false number 10 leading the pack. There you see. And there he's crossing, these athletes are crossing the fixed barriers or the hurdles that he called. 91.4 centimeter is the height. And still it is number 10, Komareddy Sushant Reddy of Telangana in the lead. But then he has been overshadowed now. It is a bunch, you know. It doesn't look like a. It's a bunch. There are people, athletes pushing. They need space as they enter the water jump. And the first to cross the water jump was number 25, Sumit Rathi of Haryana. He did not get into the water. He just crossed it actually, jumped across the water. And now you see Sumit Rathi, and in number 31, that is Zubair Sheikh. There you see Sumit Rathi in the lead. Sumit Rathi is in the lead. And they come with 5 laps remaining in this race. So, too early to comment on the winners. But yeah, there are leaders, those who would be changing their positions in due course of time, unless Sumit Rathi thinks of continuing at the same pace. But now it is 25 and 23. That is Sumit Rathi and Shivam Pargi of Madhya Pradesh. Sumit Rathi of Haryana and Shivam Pargi of Madhya Pradesh in the lead. So now we see Shivam Pargi of Madhya Pradesh leading. In fact, they are shoulder to shoulder, neck to neck. And now we see that the crowd has come down. The lead group will be getting a lead group in a short while. Okay, as they move on to the next water jump, the 3rd water jump there. Oh, there is a fall there. Now that might be very costly for him. Oh, there. Anyway, that's part and parcel of this game. With 4 minutes already gone in the 5th minute, and we see there is a new leadership here. With 25 Sumit Rathi is already there, but 28 is also there. And now we see a new leader coming in up. That is 29 Vijay Kumar. This boy from Bihar in the lead now. So this will keep on changing until we move on to the later stages. Now we are around into the meat of the race. Watch the water jump on the back straight. The goal is to plant 1 foot on top of the barrier and drive outward, aiming for the shallowest part of the water. And you have seen how Sumit Rathi just crossed the water without jumping into the water. And now we move on to the 6th minute of the race. And still in the middle phase of this race, this men's steeplechase. And Sumit Rathi, as I said earlier, he wants to be in the front. Sumit Rathi of Haryana is still in front, and as he crosses the water barrier, so 3 more water barriers are remaining, and they are still going strong. And we are in the 6th minute, 5 minutes 33 seconds over as these athletes move forward. Still, the leadership is there is no change. It is Sumit Rathi. Number 22, Sahil Kumar Yahya of Gujarat. Wants to come forward, but then Sumit Rathi is still leading the bunch here in this event. A wonderful race here at the Mahatma Gandhi Stadium, and this is incidentally the last event of the 24th National Junior Athletics competition here, which is being organized by the Tumkur District Athletic Association and the Karnataka State Athletic Association here at Tumkuru, Karnataka. A beautiful place, a wonderful place here, Tumkuru. And as I say about Tumkuru, we see Sumit Rathi still leading this race. He is strong. He knows what and he is in this race strongly. I see the calm on his face, no fear or no expressions on his face. He is concentrated, full concentration, as he moves on to the next water jump. There's Sumit Rade, and now after this water jump, we have a new leader in this race. As we move into as we are in the later half of the 7th minute, it is 28, Vedant Sanjay Tikone of Maharashtra. So Vedant of Maharashtra and Sumit Rathi of Haryana, those two boys in the front as they move on to the later phases of this race. And it is Vedant Sanjay Tikone who is leading now. And just behind him we have Sumit Rathi. We see here the spectators watching them and cheering for them. But now the initial rush is over. We have clear leaders here. Two clear leaders, Sumit Rathi and Vedant Sanjay Tikone. As of the moment, Vedant Sanjay Tikone is leading. Vedant is from Maharashtra. He is leading this race, the 3,000 meters steeplechase. Is a wonderful run by Vedant and Sumit Rathi. They have left the opponents, they have left the other contenders way behind. I think it is around 15 meters behind, and as they move on to the next water jump, this is a wonderful race here. Yeah, one more water jump to go, it seems, yeah. And they move into the 9th minute as of now. Now, they are moving into the 9th minute. Yeah, that is there. As they move into the 9th minute of the race, it is still Vedant Sanjay Tikone in the lead. Now we can see the fatigue is setting in. This is where the anthropometry of the event truly shows. Heavy legs make these barriers look inches higher, and as they move into the last stretch, they are the gap. Water jump to go, it seems, yeah. And they move into the 9th minute as of now. They are moving into the 9th minute. Yeah, that is there. As they move into the 9th minute of the race, it is still Vedant Sanjay Tikone in the lead. Now we can see the fatigue is setting in. This is where the anthropometry of the event truly shows. Heavy legs make these barriers look inches higher, and as they move into the last stretch, the gap is widening. The gap is widening between the lead runners and the other runners. But as of now, you see Tikone. Is it an idea of Sumit Rathi to just be behind Vedant, and they move towards the last 300 meters? Now you see Sumit Rathi has overtaken Vedant. Sumit Rathi is speeding, but Vedant doesn't want to give up, it seems, as they fall the other hurdle, and as they proceed towards the last water jump. You see Sumit Rathi of Haryana increasing his lead over Vedant. That is a wonderful run by Sumit Rathi. There you see Sumit Rathi on the last water jump there, followed by Vedant Sanjay Tikone. And as we move on to the last hurdle, the gap between Sumit Rathi and Vedant is increasing. Now Vedant cannot catch up on Sumit, as Sumit has crossed the last hurdles and is moving to the finish. He is moving to the finish. He has an eye on the Asian Junior record. He has an eye on the qualifying mark. Does he do it? Yes, it seems he has done it. He has done it. He will get a plane. He'll get a ticket to the Asian Junior meet. That is Sumit Rathi of Haryana, followed by Vedant Sanjay. I think even Vedant has also crossed the barrier under the time. So that was a wonderful run there by Sumit Rathi of Haryana and Vedant Sanjay Tikone there. The runners, they are still coming in towards the final. That was a wonderful run. See, that is the difference between champions and regular runners. What was the run there? Sumit Rathi, right from the second, he was in the lead. He was leading. And even though they were leaders now and then, but Sumit Rathi just kept on to it, and that was there. So we are just waiting for the final results to come up on the board. That will be coming up only after the last runner finishes the finish line. He crosses the finish line, and here we see the last runner crossing the finish line. And now we'll be score We'll be presenting the scoreboard to you.